Have you noticed tiny insects on your plants? Are aphids, whiteflies, or other garden pests damaging your vegetables and flowers? If you'd rather avoid expensive chemical pesticides, this video is for you. Today, you'll learn how to make a simple and effective natural garlic pest spray, how to use it correctly, and a few important precautions to help keep your garden healthy and thriving. Garlic contains natural sulfur compounds and strong-smelling substances that many garden pests dislike. This homemade spray may help deter or reduce populations of aphids, whiteflies, spider mites, and other soft-bodied insects. However, if your plants have a severe pest infestation, garlic spray alone may not be enough. For the best results, combine it with other organic pest management methods. You'll need 8 to 10 garlic cloves, 1 liter of water, and 1 teaspoon of mild liquid soap. First, peel and crush the garlic cloves into a fine paste. Mix the garlic paste with 1 liter of water and let it sit for 12 to 24 hours. Next, strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer. If desired, add 1 teaspoon of mild liquid soap. This helps the spray stick better to the leaves. Apply the spray early in the morning or in the evening, when the sun is not too strong. Spray both the top and underside of the leaves, since many pests hide underneath. Use the spray once or twice a week, depending on the level of pest activity. If it rains, you may need to reapply the spray afterward. Before spraying the entire plant, test the spray on 1 or 2 leaves. Wait 24 hours to make sure the plant doesn't react. Avoid spraying during hot, sunny weather, as it may damage the leaves. For the best results, make a fresh batch each time you use it. If your plants are heavily infested, don't rely on garlic spray alone. Consider combining it with other organic pest control methods. Remove yellow or dead leaves regularly to help keep plants healthy. Protect beneficial insects such as ladybugs, which naturally feed on harmful garden pests. With just a few garlic cloves, you can make an easy, affordable, and natural pest spray for your home garden. If you found this video helpful, please like, share it with your fellow gardeners, and subscribe to our channel for more easy, natural, and science-based gardening tips.